What if I told you that you could make an amazing Philly cheesesteak in your air fryer in just 15 minutes using Deli roast beef? I'm from Philly, so I'm going pretty traditional with mushrooms, peppers, and onions. Where are you from, and what topping would get you kicked out of Philly? Let me know in the comments. In the meantime, toss your chopped toppings, Philly approved or not, into your air fryer on a liner. Give them a light spray of oil and cook at 400 degrees for 8 minutes, giving everything a toss halfway through. While that's cooking, roughly chop up your deli roast beef. Once the veggies have softened, add the beef, give everything one more light spray of oil, and air fry for 4 more minutes. Now throw on a couple slices of provolone, and while that cheese melts, spread a thin layer of mayo on your roll. Now mix your meat, cheese, and veggies together. Throw some provolone on top and toast your mayo-coated roll alongside it for about 2 minutes. By the time the bread's ready, the cheese is going to be perfectly melted. And look at that. Meaty, cheesy, packed with flavor, and ready in just 15 minutes. Now, tell me in the comments what's getting you kicked out of Philly, and if you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next Thursday.